What is going on YouTube? It's your boy Alexandrus, guys, and today I'm really excited to bring another interesting project or actual whole metaverse to you guys. Today we are going to review VYUG or VYUG, however you want to pronounce it. I'm gonna be calling it VYUG. And yes guys, in today's video we will explore their metaverse, which is available to stream. So if you want to test it out yourself, then you can go ahead and do so, and in just a second I'll show you how to do it, guys. Before we start with the video, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions, guys. And with that being said, I can give you a nice little introduction, but actually just before that, one more disclaimer, guys. This video could be cut a little bit, you know, into, like, basically, generally speaking, cut, because I'm kind of sick. I still want to bring the video to you because their pre-sale is actually starting pretty soon, so I want to roll out the video. And the thing is that I'm kind of sick, and I've been sick for like 3-4 days, guys. I might need to see a doctor, you know, who cares at this point. But yeah, the thing is obviously that I want to keep the quality for you, so yeah, don't be surprised if there is some cuts in the video. But I guess it's better than hearing me coughing, so yeah. Without further ado, guys, I'm going to introduce you to VYUG, which is the ultimate metaverse experience. It's unlike anything you've ever seen before, trust me. It's hyper-realistic, decentralized, and designed to solve real-world problems as well. And guess what, guys? The pre-sale is coming up pretty soon, and trust me, you might want to dive into this one. So guys, first of all, let me show you how to basically get started with this. And as you can see on your screen right now, I have this pre-recorded video which I will voice over now so you can understand everything. So right now, guys, we are on their website, and all you have to do is hit the login button. Now you need to fill out your credentials, so well, your email and your password in this case. Basically you need to create your account, so you hit create account, and now you input your email, hit create account, and right after that, guys, you are getting the OTP to your email, and that's basically a code that you need to use. OTP stands for one-time password. So yeah, after that you can set up your user ID, so your nickname, as you can see, and your normal password. Okay, yeah, by the way, your nickname has to be at least 8 characters. Right now you can log in with the actual login panel, as in the beginning, and then, guys, what you will do is just basically hit stream. After that, you need to hit craft yourself. You have some set of rules which I recommend you to go ahead and read before jumping into the stream itself. And then craft yourself, you can scan the QR code with your phone to create your avatar. This basically creates it from your face, but if you don't want to do it, then you can, I guess, like, do it some other way. But essentially it is hyper realistic that way, because it is based actually on your face, but still you can modify your character here. As you can see, you can change skin color, pretty much everything, guys. Whatever you want to be, you can be in this metaverse. That's what I really like about it, because you have this full option of customizing. So actually, maybe without further ado, let's jump into the metaverse. Let's actually stream it, fellas, so I can show you a little bit, you know, around the metaverse, kind of see how it is. So yeah, as you can see, we just spawned in. Navigating is very easy, you don't need to configure anything, basically WSAD or so yeah, that's very simple. But yeah, let's actually, guys, I will show you some of the recorded footage of some gameplay, because it is quite interesting. You can drive different vehicles, you can really do a lot of things, and this is just beta version, you know, to kind of see what the potential is. As you can see, we have some beautiful landscapes as well, but overall what I want to say is this will be much more developed, and it's, as I said, really easy to navigate, guys. Okay, so you can play it on your laptop, you can play it on your computer. Honestly, very easy stuff. So it is an open world hyper realistic metaverse platform, guys. It's first of its kind because it offers a whole diverse regions to explore, which is the core section on their website, which we will move into in just a second. It has various different sectors, which is the digital reality, which will also jump in. So they have commerce, corporate, education, and entertainment, where you can upgrade yourself, and it also provides next level hyper-realistic customized avatars and an environment that makes an immersive experience at its best. So you can, you know, do a lot of things. Check out the futuristic city, as you can see on the gameplay, you know. This is live, and rest 85 cities are now under construction, guys. So yes, you hear me right, 85 cities under construction. They also have a whole white paper. So obviously when it comes to white paper, as I always say in my videos, guys, I leave those to you because I want to show you the most interesting stuff in the video, and then before jumping into the project, I still advise you to go and check out the white paper, okay? Because that's where you can find most of the technicals, informations, and all of that. What I really like about VYUG is the fact that they have a really transparent team, and they also have their YouTube channel, which is simply, well, VYUG or VYUG. And you can see multiple updates, development updates. There are videos with CEO, like multiple stuff. Honestly, it is really worth watching. So yeah, guys, what else I can tell you? So, you know, it's not your regular virtual world, as you can see, guys. It's massive. It's packed with different sectors that mirror real life industries. So imagine being in a digital world where you can own virtual real estate, participate in commerce, and even solve real world problems through virtual reality. So this is just a sneak peek again, guys, of what's to come, okay? And let me tell you, it's really mind-blowing, okay? I wish I could, you know, say it louder, but my throat isn't letting me, but it is really mind-blowing in its case, guys. So let's jump into the website now, so I can kind of, you know, show you what it is all about, guys. So we are on their website, and let's start with core, as I wanted to sort of show you. So guys, they have those different, as you can see, core regions. So for example, you have desert, and you have those nice little sneak peeks of how each of these work, and this is very, very impressive. And these guys are actually developing marketplace and game space as well. So one of the core features of the VYUG metaverse is the NFT marketplace, which is basically going to be the largest decentralized marketplace ever, guys. So you will be able to buy, sell, and trade NFTs that are essential to this digital world. But that's not all. Well, VYUG also has its own game space, which is a dedicated VR gaming category where players will get to immerse themselves in hyper-realistic gaming experience like never before, fellas, okay? So for all my gaming fam out there, guys, VYUG will be launching its own VR headsets, which is pretty impressive, that's right, and you will soon be able to experience VYUG with top tier hardware. So really looking forward to that. These guys are, as you can see, these guys are very like multi-industry, we could say. I mean, it is sort of based around gaming, but well, at the same time they have commerce and all of that. Here we have planes, for example, and obviously all of those are explained in longer explanations right here on the website. Not gonna read all of this because I will leave it to you if you want to explore it, but basically you have some detailed informations about each of those regions, we could say, or core regions, essentially. That is how it's made section, which is coming soon. Looking really forward to that as well. And yeah, you have, I mean, looks hyper realistic, and imagine you will be able to experience it in VR, sort of like first person, walking through all of these different sceneries, you know. Honestly, if you want to travel on a budget somewhere, you know, still interact with your friends or meet some new people, then this metaverse can really have it. Look at the realism here, okay? Even the plants, man, looks like it was shot on drone from some Philippines or other beautiful country. Like, that's crazy, honestly. Again, excuse my voice, guys, if it cracks a little bit, but yeah, it is what it is. So yeah, I wanted to show you that when it comes to region. So I really like their ecosystem as well, the fact that they do have utilities, they have different sectors, as you can see: education, entertainment, sports, corporate, commercial, events, hospitality, sustainability, tourism. You can go, for example, to commercial, and then you can also see the sneak peeks and explanation of all of these. Discover a new dimension of shopping in a virtual marketplace that transcends reality. So yeah, you know, transacting those NFTs and all of that, building touristical buildings, for example, like museums or something like that, you know. Honestly, it is mind-blowing, as I said before. It is definitely something that I personally haven't ever seen before in any different metaverse. So honestly, it's really nice. And VYUG is an entire ecosystem with multiple entities under its belt, guys, from the NFT marketplace to the game space and even a global crypto transaction wallet. So this project is bringing a whole new level of utility to the metaverse space, and for all the creators out there is a 3D production house for designing immersive experiences. So VYUG is setting a new standard in the digital world, guys. So that's really nice, and if you want to learn more, then you can also go under the different section. As you can see, they are working on a map as well. When it comes to invest, you also have informations about investing, about all the industries that they are covering, and you can fill out the form. And then also you have some other informations here, trade information. So that's what I also wanted to show you. That's what I was talking about. So you have the VYUG NFT marketplace, unlock a world of digital assets, and basically they really do have those freaking things under development, guys, as well as wearables and emotes and all of that being developed. Excuse me. Then you also have their token, guys, the VYUG token, and that's where we will pause for a second because I wanted to share the big news of the pre-sale that is coming up, and this is where you need to pay attention, guys, because VYUG had a super successful airdrop campaign recently, and the hype is real on this one. You can even search up YouTube to kind of see how many people are talking about it, so I decided to jump in on the topic as well. So if you missed the airdrop, don't worry, because well, you still have the pre-sale if you want to participate, and this token is going to be the key to accessing all the features in this metaverse, from land purchases to in-game rewards and all of that. And after the pre-sale, they are heading straight to exchange listings, so the potential is definitely there, guys. So if you want to learn more about the token in itself, the foundation and all of that, what is the supply, which is 3.5 billion, versatility, utility, then you have the token section. They also have their own wallet section, and you can download their application if you want. So yeah, they really had this successful airdrop, guys. Honestly, the wallet also has some great features. The wallet offers 0 gas fees on in-app transactions, plus you can swap off your tokens with a variety of crypto coins, so yeah, that's also pretty cool. Then they also have this play space. Play space, guys, is where they talk about, for example, the V1 turbo track. As you can see, I mean, I would love to race around here. Very cool. And then they also have Buzz, where you can see all the announcements, blogs, events, PR informations and all of that. So that's basically that. You can also discover their hidden treasure. As you can see, that's where you will be able to buy your VYUG or VYUG coin, guys. So to conclude all of this, well, this is your chance to get in early on one of the most attractive metaverse projects out there in 2024 for sure. And VYUG, guys, is solving real-world problems through a hyper-realistic decentralized metaverse, and the pre-sale could definitely be huge on this one. Whether you are a gamer, investor, or just curious about the future of the digital world, they definitely have something for you. So make sure you check them out. Obviously, if you are interested, then you can participate, read the white paper, you know, read all the stuff, check out what other people say, and at the end of the day, this is your decision, guys. So don't forget to check out their website, explore all the cool features yourself, and while you are there, you can also sign up for the latest updates, and also subscribe to the channel, guys. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss any more updates, and drop a like if you are hyped, drop a like if you are excited about VYUG, as I am, and trust me, guys, this can really be huge. So that's it from me for today. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and see you guys in the next one, coming out soon.